Today we are going to learn the application of quadratic equation in our daily life. We have to realize more problems from morning to evening. Some problems we have to solve with the use variable and convert into the quadratic equation. With the help of quadratic equation to solve the problem, at unknown situation, where to use the application. Application of quadratic equation, that is practice set 2.6. आज आपण दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये विविध प्रकारचे उदाहरणे आपण सकाळपासून संध्याकाळपर्यंत अनुभवत असतो. जर ते प्रॉब्लेम आपण चलाचा उपयोग करून सोडवले तर आपल्याला क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशनचा वापर करून त्याची किंमत काढता येते. अशा उदाहरणांना आपण ॲप्लिकेशन असं म्हणतो. आज आपल्याला ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.6 मधील प्रॉब्लेम पाहिजे आहेत. First problem for application of quadratic equation in a practice set 2.6. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 year hence is 84. Find her present age. 2 वर्षापूर्वी प्रगतीचे वय आणि 3 वर्षानंतरचे प्रगतीचे वय यांचा गुणाकार 84 आहे, तर तिचे आजचे वय किती? Solution of this problem. Let we have to consider present age of Pragati is x years. The age of Pragati 2 years ago represented as x minus 2. 2 years ago. 2 वर्षापूर्वी प्रगतीचे वय x minus 2 होईल. And the age of Pragati 3 years hence means after 3 years the age of Pragati is x plus 3. आणि 3 वर्षानंतरचे प्रगतीचे वय x अधिक 3 आहे. Given condition, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 year hence is 84. Therefore, x minus 2 multiply x plus 3 is equal to 84. X minus 2 multiply the second bracket x plus 3, then x multiply x plus 3 minus 2 multiply x plus 3 is equal to 84. Hence, x into x square plus x multiply 3 plus 3x minus 2 multiply x minus 2x and minus 2 multiply 3 is a minus 6 is equal to 84. Plus 3x minus 2x are like terms. Their subtraction is plus x square plus x minus 6. This 84 goes on LHS side, then we get minus 84 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is a minus 90 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation or to find the roots of this quadratic equation by using factorization method. Here constant term minus 90 and x square of coefficient is a 1. Their product is 1 multiply minus 90 is equal to minus 90. To find the factor of minus 90 such that the sum or subtraction is coefficient of middle terms is a plus 1. Therefore, minus 90 is the factor 10 multiply minus 9. Product is a minus 90 and subtraction is a 10 minus 9 is equal to plus 1. Therefore, plus x split into two factor such that x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Here x square plus 10x is the first group and next group is a minus 9x minus 90. Take common in a first group x. X take common x plus 10. Here the next group contain the 9 multiple factor. 9 take common minus 9. Here is a x minus minus is a plus. 9 tens are 90 is equal to 0. In this equation x plus 10 bracket is the same. Take again common x plus 10. Remaining bracket contain x minus 9 is equal to 0. Equating both bracket 0, therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. Here plus 10 goes on RHS side, then we get minus x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to minus 9 goes on RHS side, then we get plus, therefore x is equal to 9. But the value of x is the present age, therefore x not is equal to minus 10. Never the age expressed in a negative number. Therefore, x naught is equal to minus 10. Hence, the present age of Pragati is 9 years. The value of x is equal to 9. This is the solution of this problem. Hence, present age of Pragati is 9 years. Write down. Second problem in a practice set 2.6. Sum of square of two consecutive natural even number is 244. Find the numbers. क्रमागत दोन नैसर्गिक समसंख्याच्या वर्गाची बेरीज 244 आहे, तर त्या संख्या शोधा. Even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6. Any two consecutive even natural number, difference is 2. Therefore, we have to consider two consecutive natural number, even numbers are x and x plus 2. Any two consecutive even number, difference is a 2. We have to consider first even number is a x, next consecutive number is greater than 2, that is x plus 2. Given condition is sum of square of two consecutive natural even number, means x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. दोन क्रमागत समनैसर्गिक संख्येच्या वर्गाची बेरीज 244 आहे, ही दिलेली अट आहे. Therefore, x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. X square plus, here is a plus b bracket square by using expansion formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, we can write x square plus 2 into 2x is a 4x plus 2 square is a 4 is equal to 244. X square plus x square are like terms. Their sum is 2x square plus 4x plus 4. This 244 goes on LHS side, then we get minus. Hence, 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is the minus 240 is equal to 0. Here, 2 take common in this quadratic equation. To take common in bracket x square plus 2 2s are 4x 2x minus 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 0. Here 2 in bracket x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. These 2 multiply this bracket, 2 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. X square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0 upon 2. 0 upon 2 is the value 0. Therefore, x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. To find the factor of minus 120, product is a minus 120 and their subtraction is a plus 2. Hence, 1 multiply minus 120 is equal to minus 120. To find the factor of minus 120 such that minus 10 multiplied 12 is equal to minus 120, and their difference minus 10 plus 12 is equal to plus 2. In this quadratic equation, plus 2x split into x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. In this equation, x square plus 12x is the first group and minus 10x minus 120 is the second group. In the first group, take x common, remaining in the bracket x plus 12. Second group, take minus 10 is a common, x here is remaining, minus minus is a plus, 10 multiplied 12 is a 120, then we get minus 10 in bracket x plus 12 is equal to 0. Hence, both term contain x plus 12, again take common, remaining x minus 10. Therefore, x plus 12 multiply x minus 10 is equal to 0. Equating 0 to every bracket, x plus 12 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, this plus 12 goes on RHS side, then we get minus x is equal to minus 12 and x is equal to 10. But x not is equal to 12. Hence, x is equal to 10 value. Therefore, first natural even number is a x is equal to 10 and second is a 10 plus 2 is a 12. Therefore, these two natural even numbers are 10 and 12. आणि म्हणून क्रमवार सम नैसर्गिक संख्या 10 आणि 12 आहेत. Write down. Third problem in a practice set 2.6. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of following flow chart. Mr. मधुसूदन यांच्या बागेमध्ये काही संत्रीची झाडे आहेत. 150 संत्रीची झाडी आहेत. काही रो आहेत आणि काही कॉलम आहेत. काही आडव्या लाईन आहेत आणि काही उभ्या लाईन आहेत. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. कॉलम मध्ये जेवढे झाड आहेत त्यापेक्षा रो मध्ये 5 झाडे जास्त आहेत. Find the number of tree in each row and in each column. प्रत्येक रो मध्ये आणि कॉलम मध्ये एकूण किती झाडे आहेत आपल्याला फ्लो चार्ट दिलेला आहे. त्या फ्लो चार्टच्या मदतीने प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करायचा आहे. नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज इन अ कॉलम इज एक्स. कॉलम मध्ये नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज आपण एक्स कन्सिडर करणार आहोत. नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज इन अ रो, रो मध्ये किती असतील डॅश डॅश दिलेला आहे. फ्रेम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वर्ग समीकरण तयार करायचं आहे. त्यानंतर फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स, एक्स ची किंमत फाइंड करायची आहे. नंतर जेव्हा एक्स ची किंमत फाइंड होईल तेव्हा नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज इन अ कॉलम आणि नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज इन अ रो आपल्याला काढायचे आहेत. Let number of trees in a column is x. The first box shown in a flow chart, the number of trees in a column we have to consider is a x. Then second box in a flow chart, number of trees in a row. Therefore, from given condition in the problem, number of trees in a row is equal to x plus 5. Here is given the numbers of tree in each row is 5 more than that in each column. कॉलम मध्ये जेवढी झाडे आहेत त्यापेक्षा रो मध्ये 5 झाडे जास्तीचे आहेत. नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज इन अ कॉलम इज x, therefore number of trees in a row x plus 5. Total trees in a garden of Mr. Madhusudan is 150 orange trees. Therefore, total trees is equal to 150. Hence, the number of rows multiply number of columns then is equal to number of trees. रो मधल्या झाडांची संख्या आणि कॉलम मधल्या झाडांची संख्या यांचा गुणाकार जर केला तर आपल्याला एकूण झाडाची संख्या मिळते. x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. Therefore, x multiply x plus 5, x into x is x square plus 5x. 150 goes on LHS side, then we get minus x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Find, this is a quadratic equation, frame quadratic equation. Then we get required quadratic equation is x square plus 5x minus 150. To find the factor of minus 150 such that product is a minus 150 and their difference is a plus 5. Therefore, here is a x square of coefficient is a 1, multiply 150 is equal to minus 150. To find the factor of minus 150 such that minus 10 multiply plus 15. Their difference is a coefficient of middle term is a plus 5. Minus 10 plus 15 is equal to plus 5. And their product 10 multiply minus 10 multiply plus 15 is equal to minus 150. Here in this quadratic equation, plus 5x split into plus 15x minus 10x. मध्यम पदाला म्हणजे फायला प्लस चिन्ह आहे. फॅक्टर्स पाडताना मोठ्या संख्येला प्लस साइन घ्या, लहान संख्येला मायनस साइन घ्या. x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. x square plus 10x is a first group and second group is a minus 10x minus 150. In a first group, x take common, x in bracket x plus 15, and second group take common minus 10, x minus minus plus 15 is equal to 0. In this equation, x plus 15, x plus 15 take common is the same, x plus 15, remaining bracket contain this x minus 10 is equal to 0. 0 equate each and every bracket, therefore x plus 15 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. To find the value of x, plus 15 goes on RHS side, then we get minus x is equal to minus 15 and minus 10 goes on RHS side, then we get plus, therefore x is equal to minus the plus 10, but the value of x is a negative is not valid because number of trees never express in a negative number, therefore x is equal to 10. Hence, number of trees in a column is 10 and number of trees in a row is a x plus 5, means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Hence, this is the answer. Number of trees in a column is 10 and number of trees in a rows is 15. Write down. सर्वांनी लिहून घ्या. Problem number 4 in a practice set. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their age is 1/6. Find their present ages. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. विवेक हा किशोरपेक्षा 5 वर्षाने मोठा आहे. The sum of the reciprocal of their is 1/6. त्या दोघांच्या वयाच्या गुणाकार व्यस्तांची बेरीज 1/6 येते. Then find their present age. तर त्यांची आजची वये किती? लेट प्रेझेंट एज ऑफ किशोर इज y years. समजा आपण किशोरचे आजचे वय y वर्ष मानू. Therefore, the present age of Vivek is y plus 5. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. विवेक हा किशोरपेक्षा 5 वर्षाने मोठा आहे. किशोरचे जर आजचे वय y वर्ष असेल तर विवेकचे वय 5 वर्षांनी जास्त, y plus 5. Given condition here, the sum of the reciprocal of their age is 1/6. The age of Kishore, its reciprocal is 1/y. And the age of Vivek, y plus 5, its reciprocal is 1/y plus 5. गुणा the व्यस्त क्रिया घ्यायची. Given condition 1/y plus 1/y plus 5 is equal to 1/6. It is a given condition. Here on LHS side, denominator is not same. Here cross multiplication. Y plus 1 multiply 1 is a y plus 5. Y multiply 1 then plus y. At denominator y multiply y plus 5 is equal to 1/6. At numerator y plus y is a 2y plus 5. At denominator y multiply y square plus y into 5 is a 5y is equal to 1/6. Here again 6 multiplied to y plus 5 and y square plus 5y multiply 1. Then we get 6 multiplied to y plus 5 is equal to y square plus 5y. 6 2s are 12 y plus 6 5s are 30 is equal to y square plus 5y. Like terms, take one side, y square plus 5y. This 12y goes on RHS side, then we get minus 12y. Plus 30 goes on RHS side, then we get minus 30. Y square plus 5y minus 12y minus 30 is equal to 0. Here plus 5y minus 12y are like terms. Their subtraction is y square minus 7y minus 30 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Here y square of coefficient is a 1 and constant term is a minus 30. Here y multiply minus 30 is equal to minus 30. Then to find the factor of minus 30 such that product is a minus 30 and their subtraction is a minus 7. Therefore, minus 30 divided into factor minus 10 into 3. Minus 10 into 3 is a minus 30, their product. And minus 10 plus 3 is a minus 7, their subtraction. Therefore, minus 7y split into y square minus 10y plus 3y minus 30 is equal to 0. This is the first group, y square minus 10y, and second group is a 3y minus 30. In a first group, take y common. Here y in bracket y minus 10 plus 3 take common, y minus 10 is equal to 0. Again in this equation y minus 10 take common, right, 1 times y minus 10 in bracket y plus 3 is equal to 0. Here y minus 10 is equal to 0 and y plus 3 is equal to 0, equating 0 to every bracket. Then minus 10 goes on RHS side, then y is equal to 10. And plus 3 goes on RHS side, then we get minus, y is equal to minus 3. But y not is equal to minus 3 because the negative number not express the ages. Therefore, y is equal to 10. Hence, the present age of Kishore is 10 years. And the present age of Vivek is a y plus 5. 10 plus 5 is a 15 years. This is the answer. Write down. Problem number 5 in a practice set 2.6. Suyesh scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the square of the score in the first test. Find his score in the first test. Meaning of this problem. Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first. सुयशला पहिल्या टेस्ट पेक्षा दुसऱ्या टेस्ट मध्ये 10 मार्क्स जास्त आहेत. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as square of the score in the first test. दुसऱ्या टेस्ट मध्ये मिळालेल्या गुणांची 5 पट ही पहिल्या टेस्ट मध्ये मिळालेल्या गुणाच्या वर्गाबरोबर आहे. तर सुयशला पहिल्या टेस्ट मध्ये किती गुण मिळाले? Solution of this problem. Let the score of the first test be x. सुयशला पहिल्या टेस्ट मध्ये x गुण मिळाले. Then second test of score is equal to more than 10, hence x plus 10. सुयशला दुसऱ्या टेस्ट मध्ये पहिल्या टेस्ट पेक्षा 10 गुण जास्त होते. Means second test score is equal to x plus 10. Given condition is 5 times the score of second test is the same as square of the score in the first test. दुसऱ्या टेस्ट मध्ये मिळालेल्या गुणांची 5 पट means 5 into x plus 10 is equal to square of the score in the first test is equal to x square. Here 5 multiply x plus 10, 5 into x plus 5 tens are 50 is equal to x square. Here 5x plus 50 goes on RHS side, then we get minus x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. To find the factor of minus 50 such that product is a minus 50 and their difference is minus 5. Here x square of coefficient is a 1, minus 50 is equal to minus 50. To find the factor of minus 50 such that product is a minus 50 minus 10 into 5. And the subtraction minus 10 plus 5 is equal to minus 5, the coefficient of middle terms. Here minus 5x split into minus 10x plus 5x. Therefore, x square minus 10x is the first group plus 5x minus 50 is the second group is equal to 0. X take common in the first group, x in bracket x minus 10 plus second group take common 5 plus 5 is equal to x minus 10 is equal to 0. Again both term contain x minus 10, take common. Here x minus 10 in bracket and second bracket remaining x plus 5 is equal to 0. Equating 0 in every bracket, x minus 10 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 5. But the value minus 5 is not valid because the negative number never express the score of the test. परीक्षेतील गुण निगेटिव्ह नंबर मध्ये केव्हाच दाखवत नाहीत, म्हणून x not is equal to minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Hence, score of Suyash in a first test is a 10 marks. Are you understand? Write down. Homework. Find two consecutive natural number, the sum of whose square is 145. दोन क्रमागत नैसर्गिक संख्येच्या वर्गाची बेरीज 145 आहे, तर त्या क्रमागत नैसर्गिक संख्या शोधा.